Okay, boys and girls, we're going to look at our spelling words for next week. We are going to be looking at the same 5 words that we had last week because these words are very important. The who, what, when, where, and why. And they all begin with the W-H. So we're going to start with the word who. We're going to spell it like a cheerleader, so grab your pom-poms. W-H-O, who. W-H-O, who. Our next word is what. We're going to spell what like a boxer, so grab your gloves. W-H-A-T, what. W-H-A-T, what. Number 3 is the word when. Grab your pom-poms again. W-H-E-N, when. W-H-E-N, when. Where. Keep those pom-poms. W-H-E-R-E, where. W-H-E-R-E, where. The word why. Soldier. W-H-Y, why. W-H-Y, why. Now we're looking at our new words that are pattern words. They have the G-E sound spelling. This is our soft G sound. J. Age, cage, page, wage, and stage. So if we know how to spell age, then we'll be able to do all 5 of the words. We're going to spell age like a chicken, feathers up. A-G-E, age. A-G-E, age. Cage, chicken again. C-A-G-E, cage. C-A-G-E, cage. Number 8 is the word page. Grab your pom-poms. P-A-G-E, page. P-A-G-E, page. Wage. Feathers up again. W-A-G-E, wage. W-A-G-E, wage. And the last word is stage. It has our blend S-T. Rock it out like a rock star. S-T-A-G-E, stage. S-T-A-G-E, stage. All right, boys and girls, practice your words. Do a great job. I've had fun spelling them with you.